Hi, I'm Julene DeRucci. I'm with the Kansas Wheat Commission, and I'm here at Squaw Creek, the resort at Squaw Creek in Olympic Valley, California, at the Home Baking Association annual meeting. I was excited to present to the group yesterday, our AHBA partners and friends, about dough sculpting. My presentation was bread shaping for all seasons, and some of the shapes that the group did were so much fun. I'd like to share a little bit with you. First of all, I demonstrated our sunflower shape, and our members used frozen dough yesterday to create their own creations of bread sculptures. So here's a little glimpse at a couple of the creations. You can see we had some edible toppings that they added, and dough sculpting is just a lot of fun. It's for everyone. After school groups, 4-H groups. It's a great thing to do with your family. Here's another example, a couple examples of the bread sculptures. Shaping dough together is a lot of fun, and it creates a sense of excitement when we do things, make things together. And our top People's Choice Award winner here at the meeting will receive a little prize. All right, thanks for joining me at the HBA annual meeting.